How do the world's most profitable companies make their money? By providing products and services to people that need them. Apple sells music streaming and tech gadgets to users that can't get enough. Amazon banks $100 billion in recurring yearly profits with fast, free shipping and video streaming, while Google cranks out billions in annual revenues from companies that want to advertise on its platform. It's simple: supply and demand. Find people that need stuff. Deliver that stuff. Get paid. But this basic concept has been completely forgotten when it comes to online marketing. Most online income systems do things completely backwards. You're told first to build a list, then promote anything you like without thinking of what people actually need. Or create any type of product regardless of market demand, then try to sell it. Affiliate marketing, e-com, and countless other online income methods are the same. They try to artificially create demand instead of first seeing what the market is already buying. This approach is incredibly risky. Without a buying market up front, you risk all kinds of money and time for no guarantees. Now that's hardly a way to build a reliable online income. Hey, this is Jason Fulton, and along my business partner Mosh Barry, we know all about risk. Back when we started online several years ago, it seemed that taking risks was the only way to get ahead. After losing tens of thousands on untested systems, then finally breaking through due to sheer effort and stubbornness, we eventually built up sustainable six-figure businesses. Since that time, we've shown thousands of others how to do the same. But sadly, many of our followers haven't gotten the same results. Why? It's always about the risk. Many people aren't comfortable risking money or time in the hopes of results, and we completely get that. So we've developed an exciting new system that gets you paid guaranteed without risking a single dollar or minute of your time. This system is the result of studying how the world's most profitable companies make money, by first finding qualified prospects, then offering them what they need. The results have been absolutely mind-blowing. Now here's what we've been making inside an hour a day with this method. And here's what beta testers, many with absolutely zero experience, have been making. So why does this work so well and so consistently? Instead of trying to invent demand, something most online systems force you to do, this software finds you people with real needs, specific problems, and the ability to pay you to solve these problems for them. The result is virtually guaranteed online income, and the proof just keeps coming in. We're not talking about a side income of $75 to $100 per day. We're talking about making 3 figures per hour and scaling to 6 figures in less than 60 minutes per day, all without any previous skills, experience, or even doing any work yourself. Welcome to Fast Profit Jacker. This next generation software puts you directly in front of people that need your help and have money to spend. It gives you a specific breakdown of their exact needs, delivers you their updated contact information, and provides multiple templates that you can copy, paste, and send to close ongoing profitable deals. You won't have to leave your house. You won't have to get on the phone. You'll never have to meet a prospect or customer face to face. It's all handed for you inside the software. Now here's how. First, you search for businesses in any niche by keyword and location. Fast Profit Jacker delivers you an updated list of companies that are a match. Then it gives you a breakdown of their web presence and identifies weaknesses, so you'll be able to solve their problems and get paid up front, offering basic services that include SSL certification, mobile website optimization, increased social media exposure, keyword, meta tag and backlink optimization, SEO factors, and overall ranking. You can instantly download a detailed report that points out weak areas for any business and use this along with the included templates to sell high-paying services to new clients. You get paid upfront at prices you decide on. Provide basic services yourself and keep 100% of the profits, or outsource for pennies on the dollar for major arbitrage profits, with complete training on how to do this included. But let's repeat that. You don't have to know how to provide any of these services. You don't need any skills or experience to make game-changing income with this system. Offer higher paying services like website creation, video marketing or reputation management, which is all easily outsourceable, while turning one-time clients into recurring contracts with monthly services that take just minutes to set up and deliver. Below you'll see complete details and a demo of how this software can bank you upfront ongoing payments in just minutes per day, along with multiple proofs of results from beta testers, many of whom have never made a dime online before using this software. During this limited launch, you'll get access for an extremely low one-time fee, plus grab our powerful bonuses to take your results to the next level. But the discount and bonuses are only available for a limited time, so check out the details and secure your license now to get all for the lowest possible cost. You're covered by our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose for trying this can't-fail system for yourself. You could keep risking your time and money on untested systems and hope for results. Or you can grab Fast Profit Jacker right now for guaranteed paydays without ever risking a penny again. Make the smart choice now, then get paid over and over again. We'd love to help you do it. Lock in your access now and we'll see you on the inside.